Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Mario's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can download and set up WyrVPN VPN for a fast connection, a secure connection, and a stable connection. So if you're new on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. Like the tutorial and don't forget to share it to your friend. So in the first place, you're going to open Google Play Store, and then you're going to download this application, which is WyrVPN. WyrVPN, as in WyrVPN. Take note of the spellings. Light. So this is the application I'm talking about. It is this one. So make sure you download it. It is WyrVPN Lite. So you're going to open and set it as like this. So this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So join the Telegram channel, and then this is how you're going to set it. First step, you're going to come in the top left corner and check onto those menu slashes. Now select this option, which is update config, this one, and then give it some few seconds to update the configurations until you see this option that no update is available. Secondly, you're going to come where you see auto select, and then choose a server that is near to your country's location or that is from your country's location. But if you're not able to spot out that server, keep in the auto select server. Lastly, come where you see trick, and then you're going to come and select from your recommended networks. Alternatively, you're free to come where you see all tricks, and then if your country supports the UDP protocol, you're going to come and use either this one or this. But you can also scroll and look for your country's server, because all countries' servers are variable. But if your country supports UDP, connect to those two UDP servers I've shown you, and then press the start button right there. So accept the connection request. Give it some few seconds.
Quick reminder that incognito mode does not hide as much as people think. Your internet provider can still...
So guys, that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Mario's Tech and I sign out. Don't forget to subscribe.